Here we go. I got a couple of chips right next to each other. I don't want them to progress anywhere, and I've got another one right there that I'm going to try and use this windshield repair kit from China to fix. So I'm going to figure it out and try it. I'm going to clean the area first with some alcohol and American fiber. Then it wants me to use the high-tech thumbtack right here to remove any excess glass. So all I'm going to do is dig in it, I guess. I actually don't see any. And again, it wants me to use the alignment tool above the crack, like so. Then I need to put in the pressure cylinder into the bracket. This part right here is too long for the actual piece. I have to undo it, which actually these suction cups are pretty good. There we go. Undo these. There we go. Now let's put them back on. Okay, got it. So I got the resin right here. Squeeze into the pressure cylinder. So take this out. So I gotta cut this off. Woo! Just like that. Put the resin in. Okay, resin is in. Step 6, screw a pressure bar into the cylinder. Okay, so this is gonna force fluid into the crack. Okay, I can see it kind of working. Then unscrew and remove the pressure bar. There we go. Just a little bit right there. And then drop 1 drop of resin and then apply the curing strip. Okay, that's that one. Full sunlight to allow the repair solution to solidify. Use a blade to remove excess. We're gonna let that cure in full sunlight, so we need to back up the truck just a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna fix this one too. Oh, I should put it down first so it's on the crack. And the curing stick. One more just to be sure. That's done. Curing strip. And a drop. And then over the top. They did give me 2 resin containers. I only used 1. There are 2 extra sheets, but with how messy that is, I don't think I'll be using that again. Looking from the other side, it looks like it's still. All right, let's peel it off. Ugh. Okay. Let's scrape it up. You can still see it. It did infill this one a lot. Oh no, I think because it's such a tight crack, it can't get in the crack to do it. Let's see about the other one. Again, you can see it less, but not the best. It kind of worked, it half worked. But they should be stronger and last a little bit longer now that I filled them in.